Hi, wanna know how to enter split screen mode on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to click on the square icon to open our recent applications. And here choose the first application that you would like to use in the split screen mode. So, for example, I'll pick the Chrome. Now, we would need to hold our finger on this tab until you'll be able to see this menu from the side. Here, click on this first icon to open the split screen. And as a next step, we would need to select the second application that we would like to see in the split screen mode. So I'll just click on the settings, and this is it. We have successfully entered the split screen mode, and now we can use two applications at once. And this is especially useful for multitasking. Now to exit the split screen, we would need to just take this line and pull it to the end of the screen to open one of the applications full screen. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.